Want to install Windows 11 on an older PC that Microsoft says is incompatible? In this video, I will walk you through how to create a bootable USB using Rufus and bypass Windows 11 hardware requirements safely and easily. In the first step, download the Windows 11 ISO directly from the Microsoft websites. Scroll down, select Windows 11, choose your language, and hit download. In the next step, download the Rufus utility from the Rufus websites. This is the tool we will use to make your USB bootable. Now plug in your USB drive, at least 8 GB, and launch Rufus. It will auto-detect your USB. Click Select and choose the Windows 11 ISO. Now here is where you choose your partition scheme, GPT or MBR. This creates a little bit confusion. I am choosing GPT because my system support UEFI. You can check this by going to Disk Management, right-click your drive, choose Properties, and under the Volume tab, you will see if your system uses GPT or MBR. For the file system, select NTFS for better compatibility with large files and installation stability. When you select a Windows 11 ISO, Rufus will give you extra options to customize the installation. If your PC does not meet Windows 11 requirements, these options bypass those checks. You can choose all of them if you are setting up an older PC. At least check the first two options. Remove requirement for 4 GB RAM, secure boot and TPM. Remove requirements for online Microsoft account. If you don't have Microsoft account, check this option. Now click Start and confirm the prompts. This will erase your USB and create a bootable Windows 11 installer. Once done, plug the USB into your target PC, restart it, and make sure to change the boot order in BIOS to boot from USB first. Press F12, delete, or escape to enter BIOS. Varies by manufacturer. And that is it. You have now created a Windows 11 bootable USB that works even on older PC. Unsupported PC, drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more PC tips and tutorial.